Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a legend, a nameplate that has defined rugged reliability and off-road prowess for over 70 years. I'm talking, of course, about the Toyota Land Cruiser. After a brief hiatus from the North American market, it's back, and it's completely reimagined for 2026. This isn't just a comeback, it's a rebirth. Toyota has taken everything we loved about the iconic cruiser and infused it with modern technology, a bold new design, and a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain. So is the all-new Land Cruiser ready to reclaim its throne as the king of SUV? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is a massive change. Gone is the gas, guzzling V8. Instead, every single 2026 Land Cruiser comes standard with Toyota's iForce MAX hybrid powertrain. This system pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering a jaw-dropping 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. That's more torque than the old V8, and it's available almost instantly thanks to that electric motor. This isn't just about power, it's about smart power. You get incredible low-end grunt for crawling over rocks and towing, but you also get significantly improved fuel efficiency. Toyota is targeting a combined 27 miles per gallon, which is a game changer for a vehicle this capable. This hybrid setup isn't just an option. It's the new standard, signaling Toyota's commitment to a more efficient and powerful future for its most legendary off-roader. The power is managed by an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts whether you're on the highway or a tricky trail. Now, let's talk design. The new Land Cruiser looks tough, and I mean really tough. Toyota has leaned into a retro-inspired, of course. A Land Cruiser isn't a Land Cruiser without legendary off-road capability. The 2026 model is built on Toyota's TNGA-F global truck platform, a modern ladder frame shared with the Tundra and Sequoia. This provides incredible rigidity and durability. Full-time 4-wheel drive is standard naturally with a two-speed transfer case for high and low range. You also get a locking center differential and a locking rear differential to ensure power gets to the wheels with the most grip. But the tech is where it gets really impressive. The new Land Cruiser inherits Toyota's latest off-road software, including crawl control, which is like a low-speed cruise control for the trail, and multi-terrain lane select, which allows you to tailor the vehicle's traction control settings for different surfaces like mud, sand, or rock. Another cool feature is the available stabilizer disconnect mechanism, or SDM. With the push of a button, you can disconnect the front sway bar, increasing wheel articulation and allowing the suspension to flex more over uneven terrain. This is a feature usually reserved for high-end dedicated off-roaders, and it's a testament to how serious Toyota is about this vehicle's credentials. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that perfectly balances rugged utility with modern comfort and tech. It's a far cry from the purely utilitarian cabins of old, but it still feels purposeful and durable. The base 1958 model is more function-focused, with durable cloth seats and a smaller 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. As you move up to the Land Cruiser and First Edition trims, you get a much more premium experience. You'll find soft-textured seats, which are heated and ventilated, and a massive 12.3-inch central touchscreen that looks fantastic. Both systems run Toyota's latest software and come standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard design is chunky and horizontal, reinforcing that tough, capable feeling. There are plenty of physical buttons and knobs for critical functions like climate control and drive modes, which is something we all appreciate. especially when you're bouncing around on a trail and don't want to fumble with a touchscreen. The ergonomics are spot on, with a commanding driving position and great visibility. It's a cabin designed for long journeys, whether they're on pavement or dirt. Now let's talk about the different trim levels, because Toyota has structured the lineup to appeal to a wider range of buyers. It all starts with the 1958 grade. This is the purist's choice. It's named after the year the Land Cruiser was first sold in America, and it strips things back to the essentials. You get the iconic round headlights, cloth seats, and the fundamental off-road hardware. It's designed for those who might want a blank canvas for modifications, or who simply appreciate a more utilitarian, old-school vibe. The starting price for this trim is expected to be in the mid-$50,000 range, making the Land Cruiser nameplate more accessible than it has been in decades. The next up is the mid-grade, simply named Land Cruiser. This is the volume model and the sweet spot for many. It upgrades you to the rectangular headlights, soft text seats, the larger 12.3-inch screen, and adds features like multimeter, rain select, and the sway bar disconnect system. It's the perfect blend of modern features and hardcore capability. Finally, for the launch year, there's the limited Run First edition. This is the fully loaded top-of-the-line model. It combines the best of both worlds, bringing back the retro round headlights but packing in every available feature, including a premium JBL sound system, a head-up display, a digital rear-view mirror, and unique first edition badging. It's the ultimate collector's item for die-hard Land Cruiser fans. Safety is also a huge priority. Every 2026 Land Cruiser will come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This is Toyota's latest and most advanced suite of active safety and driver assist features. It includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. These systems use a new camera and radar with an expanded response range. What this means in the real world is a car that's better at seeing what's around it and can help you avoid potential accidents. It's a huge confidence booster, whether you're navigating a busy city or cruising on a long highway road trip. Proactive driving assist is also included, which can provide gentle braking or steering support to help manage distance between vehicles or through curves. It's like having an incredibly attentive co-pilot with you at all times, making every drive safer and less stressful. So, what's the verdict on the all-new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser? In my opinion, Toyota has absolutely nailed it. They've managed to do something incredibly difficult. They've modernized a legend without losing its soul. By making it slightly smaller, more agile, and significantly more affordable, they've brought it back to its roots as a rugged, attainable adventurer. The iForce MAX hybrid powertrain is a masterstroke, offering more power, more torque. What do you all think? Are you excited about the return of the Land Cruiser? Which trim level would you choose? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this incredible machine. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more content on all the latest and greatest vehicles. We'll see you in the next one.